Hey, what's up everyone, Sean here, and welcome to another brand new video with a bunch of random facts and just knowledge of life about random things. In today's video, we're going to be going through a bunch of facts about volcanoes, which I'm excited for. Now, as always, before I begin, as a major preface, and before even that stuff, I want to apologize for all the sweat. It is over 100 degrees where I live currently, and it has been for a while, and it's going to be all week. So I'm sorry for all the sweat and everything like that. We just don't, our AC just doesn't cut it for all the sweat, so apologize for that. But as for everything else, so I search these facts. And I get these facts from Google for searching and for accuracy information for the fact of it all. If I cannot pronounce a word, or if the fact itself is a little weird, I'll spell out the hard word essentially to do the best I can essentially to explain what it means, or I'll spell it out letter for letter for you guys for hopeful better clearance, that kind of thing. And then the other thing would be that some of these may be very, very common knowledge facts for many of you, some of you, all of you. I'm not really sure about that part, even for me. But again, the whole entire point of these videos, as always, is to learn at least one or two things, hopefully, with every video that you watch. That's why I make them. That's why I love doing them, because you always will learn something new, hopefully. So with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and learn some stuff about volcanoes. Here we go. Volcanoes are openings in the Earth's crust. Magma is molten rock beneath Earth's surface. Lava is magma that reaches the surface. Volcanoes can erupt explosively or gently. Not all volcanoes erupt regularly. Some volcanoes remain dormant for centuries. Extinct volcanoes are not expected to erupt again. Active volcanoes have erupted in recent history or show signs of activity. Dormant volcanoes may erupt again in the future. Most volcanoes form near tectonic plate boundaries. Some volcanoes form above hotspots. The Hawaiian Islands were created by a volcanic hotspot. Volcanoes exist on every continent. Many volcanoes are located beneath the oceans. Underwater volcanoes are called submarine volcanoes. Most of Earth's volcanic activity occurs underwater. The Pacific Ocean's Ring of Fire contains many active volcanoes. The Ring of Fire surrounds much of the Pacific Ocean. Volcanoes help shape the Earth's landscape. New land can form from volcanic eruptions. Volcanic islands can emerge from the sea. Some volcanoes rise thousands of meters above sea level. Volcanoes vary greatly in size. Some volcanic vents are only a few meters wide. Others span many kilometers. Shield volcanoes have broad, gentle slopes. Composite volcanoes are also called stratovolcanoes, so S-T-R-A-T-O volcanoes. Stratovolcanoes often have steep sides. Cinder, C-I-N as in Nancy, D-E-R, cinder cone volcanoes are typically smaller. Lava domes form from thick, slow-moving lava. Calderas, C-A-L-D-E-R-A-S, calderas are large volcanic depressions. Calderas often form after major eruptions. Craters are smaller than calderas. Volcanic cones are built by repeated eruptions. Lava flows can travel for many miles. Some lava flows move slowly, others move much faster. Basaltic, B-A-S-A-L-T-I-C, basaltic lava is generally more fluid. Rhyolitic, R-H-Y-O-L-I-T-I-C, rhyolitic lava is usually thicker. Andesitic, A-N-D-E-S-I-T-I-C. Andesitic lava has intermediate properties. Lava cools into igneous rock. Basalt, or basalt, however you pronounce it, is a common volcanic rock. Obsidian forms from rapidly cooled lava. Pumice, P-U-M-I-C-E, contains many trapped gas bubbles. Pumice can float on water. Scoria, S-C-O-R-I-A, scoria is another volcanic rock. Volcanic ash is made of tiny rock fragments. Ash is not the same as fireplace ash. Ash clouds can rise high into the atmosphere. Wind can carry volcanic ash great distances. Volcanic eruptions release gases. Water vapor is the most abundant volcanic gas. Carbon dioxide is also released. Sulfur dioxide is another common volcanic gas. Sulfur dioxide can affect air quality. Volcanic gases influence Earth's atmosphere. Ash can reduce visibility. Ash can damage aircraft engines. Flights may be rerouted during major eruptions. Ash can collapse roofs if it accumulates heavily. Wet ash is especially heavy. Ash can contaminate water supplies. Fine ash can irritate the lungs. Protective masks help reduce ash inhalation. Goggles help protect the eyes from ash. Ash can damage machinery. Crops may be buried by ash. Livestock can also be affected by ash fall. Heavy rain can mix with ash to form mud flows. Volcanic mud flows are called lahars, Lahars. Lahars can travel far from volcanoes. Lahars often follow river valleys. Lahars can occur long after an eruption. Rainfall can trigger lahars. Melting snow can also contribute to lahars. Pyroclastic flows are fast-moving currents of hot gas and volcanic material. Pyroclastic flows can travel at very high speeds. They are among the most dangerous volcanic hazards. Lava flows are usually slower than pyroclastic flows. Volcanic bombs are large pieces of molten rock. Volcanic blocks are solid rocks thrown during eruptions. Lapilli, Lapilli, are small volcanic fragments. Tephra, Tephra, tephra is a general term for volcanic material ejected into the air. Fumaroles, Fumaroles, release volcanic gases. Steam vents are common near active volcanoes. Hot springs are often associated with volcanic regions. Geysers occur in some volcanic areas. Geothermal energy comes from Earth's internal heat. Volcanic regions are often rich in geothermal resources. Geothermal plants generate electricity. Heated groundwater can warm buildings. Volcanic soils are often very fertile. Many farming regions developed near volcanoes. Minerals from eruptions enrich the soil. Coffee is grown on volcanic slopes in several countries. Grapes are also cultivated in volcanic regions. Tropical fruits often thrive in volcanic soils. Ecosystems gradually recover after volcanic events. New habitats can develop on fresh lava. Scientists who study volcanoes are called volcanologists. Seismometers detect earthquakes near volcanoes. Earthquakes can often increase before eruptions. GPS instruments measure ground movement. Satellites monitor volcanic activity. Thermal cameras detect heat changes. Gas sensors monitor volcanic emissions. Drones assist with volcanic research. Monitoring helps improve eruption forecasts. Predicting exact eruption times remains difficult. Hazard maps identify dangerous areas. Evacuation plans improve public safety. Volcano observatories monitor active volcanoes. Public alerts warn nearby communities. Emergency drills prepare residents. Scientists collect lava samples. Rock samples reveal eruption history. Ash layers help date past eruptions. Ice cores preserve evidence of ancient eruptions. Tree rings can record volcanic cooling events. Historical records document major eruptions. Ancient civilizations recorded volcanic activity. Oral traditions sometimes preserve eruption histories. Archaeology reveals volcanic impacts on societies. Volcano research combines geology, chemistry, and physics. Some eruptions will last only a few hours. Others continued for months or years. Lava lakes exist in a few volcanoes. Crater lakes can fill extinct volcanic craters. Some crater lakes are highly acidic. Snow can cover volcanoes. Ice-capped volcanoes exist in several countries. Melting glaciers can increase flood hazards during eruptions. Volcanoes can generate tsunamis under certain conditions. Underwater eruptions sometimes produce new islands. Ocean water cools underwater lava rapidly. Pillow lava forms underwater. Volcanic lightning can occur in ash clouds. Static electricity contributes to volcanic lightning. Explosive eruptions produce towering eruption columns. Ash columns may reach the stratosphere. High altitude ash can affect aviation. Large eruptions may influence global temperatures. Sulfate particles can reflect sunlight. Volcanic winters have occurred after major eruptions. Climate effects vary by eruption size. Not every eruption affects global climate. Local weather can influence ash distribution. Wind direction affects ashfall patterns. Weather forecasts assist emergency planning. Volcanoes have inspired many legends. Ancient cultures often viewed volcanoes as sacred. Some myths describe volcanoes as homes of gods. Volcanoes appear in literature and art. Many national parks protect volcanic landscapes. Volcano tourism is popular in some regions. Guided tours increase visitor safety. Hiking trails exist on some volcanoes. Certain volcanoes remain closed due to hazards. Visitor centers provide educational exhibits. Museums display volcanic rocks. Volcanoes attract photographers. Steam vents create dramatic scenery. Lava flows can glow brightly at night. Eruptions can be seen from space. Satellite imagery helps scientists track changes. Remote sensing improves volcano monitoring. International cooperation supports volcano research. Data sharing improves hazard forecasting. Emergency managers work closely with scientists. Communities practice evacuation procedures. Public education reduces volcanic risk. Volcanoes influence local culture. Many festivals celebrate volcanic landscapes. Volcanic regions often become major tourist destinations. So there's a bunch of fun random facts about volcanoes for you guys. Hope you guys learned something as always. If you did, leave a comment below. As always, if you have an idea for a future video, comment that below too as well. If you enjoyed this video at all, give it a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe for many more videos about knowledge of life and different facts about everything that there is. Thanks for watching as always, and I will see you all in the next one.